Hi everyone. Last lecture you will start about Drug and Magic Remedial Act 1954. In that you will see about definition, objective, and history of this act. Now today we will discuss about classes of prohibition, classes of exempted, list of diseases under this act, and offenses and penalties of this act. Last lecture you see the history. In history, advertisement is the media through which the manufacturing introduces his product. Various types of media, radio, television, newspaper, journals, magazine. The control over advertisement relating to the drug and medicine is important. Most of advertisement gives misleading information about drug and make a false claim for the magic remedy. Hence, this act will be enacted in 13 April 1954. You see the main objective prohibit the advertisement in certain purpose of magic remedy to possess the miraculous powers for diagnosis or cure of the disease. Then you will see about the definitions. Advertisement. What is advertisement? Is the includes any notice, circular label, wrapper or other document and any announcement made orally or by the means of producing or transmitting light, sound or smoke. Then you will see the magic remedy. It is includes the talisman, mantras, kavach or any other calm of any kind which we allied to the possess the miraculous power for or in the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, prevention or cure of a disease in human being or also animal, or intended to be affected or alter the structure of any organic function of the body of the human being or animal. Then you will see the example magic remedy for leukorrhea, treatment with the egg pills. Then definition of taking part in publication of advertisement. It includes the printing of advertisement, publication of the advertisement outside India. Then you will see the venereal disease, which are the venereal disease, Phillips, gonorrhea and soft cancer is the disease of a venereal. Then today you will discuss about classes of prohibition. Now in that part A, no person shall take part in the publication of the advertisement of a drug which may be lead to their use in treatment of, first, for the procurement of a miscarriage or prevention of a conception in woman, for the correction of the menstrual disorder in woman, for the improvement of a maintenance of the capacity of the human being for the sexual pleasure. Then for diagnosis, treatment, prevention, mitigation or cure of a disease specified in Schedule to the Act. These are the relating treatment for the part A. Then second part B, advertisement for magic remedy which may be claimed to the be efficacious for the condition recommended in, for the procurement of a miscarriaging or prevention of conceptions in women, for the correction of menstrual disorder in women and for the improvement or maintenance of the capacity of the human being for the sexual pleasure, for diagnosis, treatment, prevention, mitigation or cure of the disease specified in Schedule to the Act. Then third class, that advertisement of a drug which may be directly or indirectly give a false impression regarding true character of a drug and make false claim for the drug. These are all about classes of prohibition. Then next, classes of exempted. In that, any advertisement relating to the section 3 of the schedule made by a registered medicinal practitioner at his own premise. Then any advertisement made by government, and any advertisement made by any person with prior sanction of a government but only up to the specified period. Then any advertisement sent to register medical practitioner in which a confidential manner. These are the classes of exempted. Then next point, that is a list of disease under this act. The disease, disorder or condition under this schedule for which uncontrolled and misleading advertisement are prohibited. For example, appendicitis, blood poisoning, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, obesity, blindness, blood pressure, cataract, female disease, disorder of brain, ulcer, and venereal disease. And these are the list of disease under this act. This disease or disorder or condition under this schedule for which uncontrolled and misleading advertisement are prohibited. For example, appendicitis, blindness, blood poisoning, blood pressure, cancer, cataract, diabetes, female disease, heart disease, disorder of brain, obesity, ulcer, and venereal disease. Then a last point of this act, that is the offences and penalties of Magic Remedial Act 1954. First offence, any person who contraventionally of the provision of this act. First penalty of first conviction is imprisonment for 6 months or fine or both. And second penalty is for subsequent conviction, first year imprisonment or fine or both. Then, in case of contravention of the provision of this act by a company, a person who at the time of commission in charge of penalty, if penalties in charge of penalty, these are the offences and penalties of this act. Today this act will be end. Now today we will discuss about classes of prohibition. In that, 3 classes. First, no person shall take part in the publication of the advertisement of a drug, and second, advertisement of magic remedy which may be claimed to the efficacious for the condition recommended in, and advertisement of drug which may be directly or indirectly give the false impression regarding true character of drug and make false claim for the drug. Then you will see about classes of exempted. Any advertisement relating to the section 3 of the schedule may be made by a registered medical practitioner at his own premises. Any advertisement made by government, any advertisement made by any person which prior section of the government, but only up to the specified period. Any advertisement sent to the registered medical practitioner in the confidential manner. Then you will see about list of disease under this act. This disease or disorder or condition under this schedule for which uncontrolled and misleading advertisement are prohibited. In that, you will see the appendicitis, blindness, blood pressure, blood poisoning, cancer, cataract, diabetes, female disease, heart disease, disorder of brain, obesity, ulcer, and venereal disease. Then last, that is the offences and penalties. Offences, any person who contraventionally of this provision of this act, that will be penalty of a first conviction in imprisonment for 6 months or fine or both, and for subsequent conviction 1 year imprisonment or fine or both. And second offences, in case of contravention of the provision of this act by the company, person who at the time of commission, that will be penalties give in the charge of penalties. So it is for the Drug and Magic Remedial Act. This is a very important act, that is it gives the misleading information about advertisement or objectionable advertisement. In that, you will see the objective, definition, classes of prohibition, classes of exempted, list of disease under this act, and offences and penalties. So it is for today's lecture. Next lecture you will start about next point of this unit 4, that is a Food Adulteration Act or Animal Act. Thank you.